I'm Melissa and welcome to Yoga with Melissa, and today we're going to practice some yoga poses together whilst incorporating some breathing activities. Okay, I hope you enjoy. To begin with, we're going to start in a sitting easy pose. So I want you to sit on your mats or on the carpet is fine. Just sit with your legs crossed, your bottom secured to the ground and your knees as flat down as you can. Okay. Now I want you to extend your back really nice and tall, like there's a piece of string pulling you up. And once you're in this position, you're going to bring your hands into a prayer position, put them directly in front of your heart center. From here, we're going to practice our breathing and engaging in deep breathing. So let's begin. We're going to breathe in, which is called an inhale, and then we will exhale. Okay, so we're going to inhale and exhale. Inhale and exhale. Now you can do that in your own time, and you might feel like you want to close your eyes now. Bring your hands to your knees and just relax in that position. We're now going to come down. We're going to come lay on our backs with our feet firmly on the ground. Just take a second to relax in this position. We're now going to come back down onto our backs, keeping our feet firmly on the ground, knees up. Then I want you to bring your right knee in towards your chest. Just hold it with your hand and bring your left hand towards your chest and hold it. We're now going to come into a new position. We're going to hold our feet with our hands and we're going to just rock side to side. Just massaging your back gently. Does that feel nice? Bring your legs, your knees back in towards your chest and begin to rock forwards and backwards. This might feel really nice in your back. You can rock as much as you want until you come all the way up. And bring yourself back into a seated position. That nice straight spine. We're now going to come onto all fours. Slowly adjust yourself where you have your hands directly underneath your shoulders. Keep your hands nice and wide and press down into the ground, into your mat. Tap your toes underneath and be ready to push for our downward facing dog. Are you ready? Once you're in this position, let your head hang. You maybe want to shake yes and no. Let out all the energy until you feel nice and relaxed. You may want to walk your feet backwards and forwards until you feel a nice stretch in those. And when you're comfortable, come into stillness. In this position, practice your deep breathing. Inhale and exhale. Inhale and exhale. Slowly, when you're ready, start to lower your knees and bring them back down to the ground again. Take some time there to just relax your bodies. We're now going to lower our feet And we're going to practice our cat-cow stretches, which is really good for our backs. So I want you to inhale and bring your spine up nice and curved, and exhale, curving the spine and looking up towards the ceiling. Inhale, exhale, remember to keep your tummies really tight. Then just come to stillness and just relax in that position. You may want to shake it out and slowly start widening your knees. We're going to come into a child's pose where we're going to push our bottoms back, our hands forward and our heads resting on the ground. Just stay there for a moment and rest. When you're ready, secure your hands into the ground and come up, slowly bringing your knees back down. We're now going to come onto our stomachs, lying nice and flat on our mats. In that position, I want you to firmly place your hands onto the ground, and we're going to practice our cobra stretch. So I want you to have your eyes down, pushing your hands into the ground and pushing up with your spine. Slowly release. And we're going to do that one more time. Hands firmly placed on the ground. Inhale and exhale. Slowly come back down. And to now come back up onto all fours. Give yourself a little shake. Does that feel nice? And slowly come back into a seated position. Take this moment for yourself to close your eyes, hands in prayer pose in front of your chest, and rest. Well done, you did such a great job there. See you next time.